Imagine a computer that can create text, images, music, videos, and even code. That's the power of generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content by learning patterns from massive amounts of data. Large AI models are trained on billions of examples. They learn relationships between words, images, sounds, and ideas. Popular generative AI tools include ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, GitHub Copilot for coding, and Gemini for multimodal AI. Generative AI helps people work faster, automate tasks, boost creativity, and solve complex problems. Generative AI is transforming how we create and interact with technology, and this is only the beginning.